Alright, so we are making the third minion now. I made two of them, then that'll be once I make it with the pen, I think it's going to be much more clearer. Of course, I usually make the eyes first so that I know where my head is going to be. Just give me 2 minutes, some internet issue that is happening today. Alright, so guys, I hope you all are making it along with me. And we're making the three minions, the three famous minions. And I've drawn two of them already. I'm making one live so that you get an idea of how to make the minions. Okay? So like I said, first I usually draw the eyes first so that I have an estimate of where it's going to be. The rest of the features are much more easier. Okay, you need to get them approximately all of the same size, nothing which is very big or very small. So when I'm drawing with the pencil, I'm a little rough. We'll be erasing the pencil lines off, so it's okay. You just need to get the approximate, shape correct. Okay, so this is approximately all the shapes ready. Hello Pratiksha. I'll start making the pen outlines and then I will be erasing off the pencils. Okay, and then we start the coloring. All good, everybody? Okay, I'm using a Brushtro technical pen. You can use any waterproof pen, Micron, Brushtro, anything is fine. Hi Mansi, good to have you join in today. So guys, like I said, we're first just making the sketch now with the pen. If you all have any questions, please ask me. I'll be happy to answer them. Hi Mansi. I think it's the first live that you're actually attending, right? What's the story of these minions? So I am doing this challenge called Doodle Wash September 2020, and the theme today, the prompt today is happy. And when I thought of happy, there are so many other things also that came in my mind, but then since I wanted to do a live also, I love watching the minions. They actually make me laugh a lot. And there's the actual Phil Williams, what is his name? Will Ferrell, or the guy who sung the happy song. Yeah, Pharrell Williams, I guess. And there's a version of the Minions, which is one of my favorite versions, I guess. So that's why we're doing the Minions today. That represents happy to me. Yeah. So I've not got music on today. My laptop is also updating. So but guys, if you all have any questions you want to ask me, any doubts you all have regarding drawing the minions, please feel free to do so. So who's going to name the three minions to me? So like I said, I'm just making the pen outlines now, and with the pen outlines I give much more detail than I gave with the pencil. Of course the hair and stuff, we always tend to make them again after we finish the painting. Yeah. Anybody painting along? Yes, Kashvi, we'll be saving this live like we save all our lives usually. Unless there is some technical error, which is then beyond me. So if you see, this one has a longer, head as compared to the others. The fingers are always three. They wear a glove, and they have all their dungarees or jumpers or. So guys, anybody here is painting along? I guess we got few people only today. Yeah, any questions? Anybody? Any questions? Should I start the painting? Just erasing off the pencil marks slowly. Hello, Shoat. So basically you need yellows and blues mainly. and a little brown, black, and few other shades. Yeah. If anybody has any questions, I will answer them. But we've got only few people here, so I think that should be required. Okay, so a little yellow orange and a little lemon yellow is going to be your base coat. Little green which is coming. Just 1 second. So you need Gamboge hue and you need lemon yellow. Yeah. So a little, like I said, Gamboge hue and a little lemon yellow, and you will get the right shades. You can use a little orange or brown to get the shadows. A little red will also do. But first finish the entire base coat and then you can add the shadows. Yeah. So like you see, what I'm doing first is I'm just putting the yellows everywhere, and then I'll finish the entire blue base coat and then we'll do the shadows. Yeah. Any questions, anybody? Thank you, Kashpi. Been long since you also attended a live, and actually we've also not been getting a chance to conduct one. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I am actually putting the yellows first. Just 1 minute, please. I'm on the live. Rejoin in. Okay, because people are there. So. Sorry about that. So like I said, I'm just doing the Gamboge hue. Even if you don't use the lemon yellow, it's fine, because this actually is the color that we need. So this is the first time painting with watercolors for Minions. I've always painted them with acrylics. So I'm also waiting to see what the outcome turns out to be. Does it look good enough, or are acrylics better? Anybody who likes the Minions? Yes, Kashvi, we came on Monday. When we again restarted our lives, we were not able to join in, and so that is saved on our IGTV in case you want to go have a look. So yeah, that's the basic that I've done, the basic yellow. What I'm doing now is, while this is drying, I'm just taking a little bit of blue and doing the jumpers. Okay, if you have cerulean blue, you can use cerulean blue. If you don't have, you can use cobalt blue. Hello. Okay, so just a base coat. The base coat, like I said, doesn't have to have any details much. You can just finish the base coat first. Take whichever blue you have, it's fine. Okay, this is the base coat that I'm doing. So little water, little color, and just finish the basic color first. Okay, we'll add the details in the next layer. Whenever we do watercolors, there's going to be a lot of layering. That's something we need to remember always. Okay, so here there's more color, so I've just taken that and I'm doing the layering simultaneously. You can do it at one go like what I just did, and then just blend it out. Anybody painting along? Hello? It's not coming over. The light. It's going on, no? Why channel was saying, but I'm getting people are commenting also. Okay, I'll re-log in the live. Okay, there is some issue, guys, with the video. Let me just re-log in the live. Give me 5 minutes. There is people are messaging that the video is not coming. So give me 5 minutes. I'll just be back. Okay, it's blurry. It's not seen. It's okay. Sorry guys, some issue that is happening today with Instagram. I got logged out. Okay, is it still blurred? Is it better? Any improvement? Anybody? Is there some improvement now in the video? Okay, it's stuck, but that's because I'm not moving. But yeah, better. All right. So let me continue with the live, and you can just let me know. I just check the live again in 2 minutes, and you can let me know if there is some issue coming. Yeah. Okay, good. So I think we're back on track. Sorry for the technical problems, not in my hands. The internet and Instagram don't seem to be in a very good mood today. So like I was saying, we're making the 3 minions today: Stuart, Bob and Kevin. And I don't know if the first part of the live has got saved or not. I have downloaded it on the other phone, but let's see once we finish this. But whoever's missed it, we do always make the eyes first and then the head, so we have a reference point when we start working. Yeah. Good, I think we're back on track. Yeah, so let me have a seat. So now I'm just adding the little shadows with the blue. Okay, some detailing is required, not too much, just to give it a little effect. Yeah. We can actually do the blue in the background as well a little bit, so that it gives some nice effect. So a little darker on the side, on the lower parts, like, you know, under them, and then just merge it out in the shadows. So we do this in the end, or we just do it now because we have the sketch ready with us. Okay, this just adds a little background to the entire drawing. It's not necessary, but always helps. Like you see, I'm just doing a little bit, making it a little light. I haven't started the details. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm just adding some detailing. Don't have to make it too much. Okay, let's begin with the rest of the features. So for the mouth that you have, you use a brown and a crimson together. So a little crimson and a little burnt sienna. Okay, I repeat, a little burnt sienna and a little crimson. The teeth we don't touch, only the mouth we are touching. Alright, so the same brown we'll add in the eyes. Everybody is all okay following so far? Now for the goggles. Okay, so it's mostly Prussian blue only which we require. You can take any blue and a little black if you want to, so you get a little more grayness in the color, you know. You can add the Prussian blue and then just add a little black to it. Now this rim is very important because it gives the effect of 3D. Okay, so to the eyes we add this 3D effect. Once we put the entire goggles, it's going to look really nice. I mean, I really like painting minions every time I do them. Yeah, so now let's go to the goggles. So the goggles, again, you can just take a little black and a little Prussian blue, but it has to be very watery. So it's going to be just giving a little effect that there is some color there. Okay, or you can add white and grey, that's the white and black, and make a little grey, that's up to you. But otherwise this is sufficient. Just make it a little watery. Yeah, can you see that colors already come in now? And on the top, this is really important, okay guys, before we do the final shadows, this needs to be looking like there is a 3D effect. Let's do the black for the shoes and the gloves, and then we just add the details to the minions in the yellow. So we've got a very quiet crowd today. I think we might have to change our timings for the lives. Because I'm pretty sure everybody loves the minions. Who doesn't? Okay, I'm just giving a little detail with the black first, and then the rest of the body of the minions, I'll just finish that. Any questions, guys? Anybody wants to ask something, not understood something, please feel free to ask. Just finishing now. Once we finish the black, there's only like 2 minutes of work that's left. Okay, so the gloves we are making black, the shoes we are making a little black. You can keep the shoes a little blue also, that's fine. Alright, so we're done with this much. Now let's do the finishing touches. I will try to save the video, but the internet today is not being very cooperative, but I will give it a try. Probably this video will get saved, the first one might not. Okay, now see, just say how I take the color and I just move it. Okay, I don't really add it anywhere. Can you see the effect now? Just by taking a little color, moving it on the sides and then just blending it out. So what this does, it gives a little effect of depth. Okay. Like I said, it's very little color. It's more like giving the shadow. Yeah, you'll see the difference between the two minions now from this and this. You can see how the orange has added much more real, a realistic kind of an appearance to it. Just blending a little bit here and there, not too much. Okay, and the last one left. And that pretty much finishes our painting for today. Hope all of you all had fun, and do let us know if you all do make the painting as well. Just letting this dry a little bit and then I'll just make the eye. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you, bye bye.